Hello. Are you trying to master computer science but getting stuck on a complex pseudocode, programming problem, networking concept? Or maybe you are looking at a logic gate, truth table, or past paper question and wondering how you are going to remember all of that? Don't worry, we have got your back. Welcome to CS with Naveed Farrukh, a channel dedicated for students from Cambridge O-Level, AS and A-Level Computer Science. On this channel, you will find easy to follow lectures, programming exercises, pseudocode discussions and everything you need to ace your Cambridge Computer Science. तो जनाब, अगर आप हैं परेशान कैम्ब्रिज कंप्यूटर साइंस के बारे में, बिल्कुल फिक्र ना कीजिए, हम हैं ना आपके साथ। हम बना देंगे कैम्ब्रिज कंप्यूटर साइंस को आपके लिए बिल्कुल आसान। So press the subscribe button, hit the bell icon and start your CS learning journey with us. Welcome again to CS with Naveed Farrukh. Learn Cambridge Computer Science from concepts to a start. See you soon. Thank you.